Strictly cognitive analysis. Mesrɛ wo a wo join na wahyɛ live video na yɛ dɛn. Ama me. Mebɛtena ha awia no yɛ live video keka asɛm bi na yɛtoa so. Beef no, mu take different dimensions bebree, but esi a ayɛ yɛ mo be filled na yɛsi yɛtumi ba na yɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma ma akɛsefoɔ tumi ɛte aseɛ. And I'm medical kasa kakra, me kasa be 20 minutes. Na dia aka na me dia frɛ nipa nko a. Me kasa just 20 minutes pe. Na minutes na aka nyina just go call people, make them talk. Shatawale enwumre we no waye video pa, very hot video. Me je di kura say oh where your industry no more or no I was start your videos no on call this hard that way they were kind of very deep pa. Asem so the reply eba system ni mo. Mebe kasa just 20 minutes pe. After the 20 minutes no me frɛ ama kasefo akasa. Ma kyerɛ the usual frame a obet me dey obet me ede afrɛ me no. Obe frɛ me wo messenger, o frɛ messenger me peke. But mama me nya me kasa ni wie. Me ba ha wi ano be kyerɛ wo sɛ sa akɔde yesterday market no very well. And a timely no or drop it and no sub-zero no or drop it at a very strategic time. Now you know sa akɔde no ewo the way or no so playing a card. Maybe hear those explanations ni nyina or be playing a card or to ne boss in such a way say it will go to his advantage. 2 times and a Shatawale ne fail say sa akɔde ayene sa ade no. The first one, I'm already rain album ban. Sa akɔde tete ya na the advice ni be share. And away so steady ya out nipa ya the faith concert ni wie ya na the sub-zero ni ye de buy. Now tie live video na Shatawale ye na Shatawale kyerɛ sɛ all your faith concert ni nyina na bebre na enye happy behind the scenes. No person mo ye bibia frustrated the concert no. But one give up or ye na de ewie. Owie concert no this week or one EP or be drop it. Nyom 7 8 we are come more ba drop it. And also akasefo pe means bia person mo de frustrated. I don't want to probably blame sa akɔde side no, but my live video we no where I'm actually say the reason why Shatawale so ye video no a game and no play ye na ebetena ha your duty is to our duty me tia me duty is me explain na mo hwe me no mo hu ba bia ekɔ omo ni play game and me the cognitive lens every omo mienu nyina movement sa akɔde no e play very strategic shatter ye the program which is the faith concept but then it is sa akɔde or be capitalize our trend. Oko YouTube says ya sa akɔde nyom sub-zero na da number 1. Oko Twitter so immediately as Shatta granted interview ewo TV3 we ya or kyerɛkyerɛ mu so in the period of corona we no eni sɛ artist bi kura adwene so be ye nneɛma bi no ɛhɔ ana sa akɔde ɛsan yɛ den ɛsan kɔ Twitter hɔ no san kɔ jabe bi mu kɔ jabe no or you see the word Jimmy niema bi ho but o code niema bi no so on emotional thinkers emotional singers niema bi nyai and o code no and do mean say ono no niema na a play to the advantage. That is how he plays his cards. The card will play no or play in such a way say it will go to his favor. Now over the years now ya na Nkrofo cancel Shatawale no or you too aggressive or you say into only stone boy no peace by and also yes any say person will take a different approach wa jai niema ye be baba ye gidi ni niema ni nyina wo jai over live band no crowd they promote like sa corona ho niema educate the youth or take a different appeal and afa sa akɔde mo ne Nkrofo system ni mo na mo kyerɛ sɛ the system there say omo nyina babom na yini. That is from the lens of Shatawale Obeso kyerɛ sɛ Nkrofo ni nyina na those days omo yes say ne say so no wasesa but then omo daase na omo capitalize oye bibia na omo say etwa na sesa nti ono no ontena ho wa hu oye honhon sa but eko too far. It is game. Mekyerɛ wa wia ne sɛ was set traps bebree amasa akɔde but sa akɔde ento traps ni mu was set bebree ama no. Into this time or drop it or ye faith concert ni wie no market ni bibia be gina ho. In this moment the coronavirus ni nti edene se enyom no obetima nya attention. The immediately attention by a sakodi be drop your attention a shift ya kosa akodi or sakodi a play card no. Shata no de say no problem. O de omo ye ba me fi omo me manya misika de me pen onyom ni mu manya. Ene okọ yo mo ye an interview no. Sakodi jabe no. Ghana for de ya twetwe ni niema bebre. Tora Shata ne camp ye meeting e we ya and ebia wo hwe anaso obi oben e hwe o meka se code abo awuro o madwenem. I'm sure some ye meeting and omo ye say guy we cry a penalty. Baby a or the game ni be wura no. Yes we bit ma 10 game na mana ba be si yeso. E be game. Baby o be so the game ni wura. Yes we bit ma 10 game no. Ama game no so aba yeso ye failed. Enti ye be there ni a 10 game no. Ghana nyina ni say memene de at the go on straight. Sa akodi na bi ono be body or be cover niema bi enso no hit you. Meme de member yes a level no me ban all out. I go come sit for live video. Then I open now. And now we nyom na sa akodi ye na. Sa akodi kodi niema bebre wom. Nyom no de asem ho nsem hyemu or de nipa bebre ho nsem hyemu. Ti obi obe respond bi a trending be free waba. Obi obe respond be a trending be through aba. And nothing na Shata no say yes, oh, if you saw the make also go live, they will play the game. To buy and you say attack direct. Or attack it, or some be a chapter be a Reggie Rockstone or all be key. Or be a chapter or bloggers no. And this is also according to our trending. What do we have? This evening the trending sun shift again. It move back to Shatawale again. What changing card no because no the faith concept neighbor and I'm be frustrated process no mo chicha ne anda and say what then and baby or want to say so as ban comfort zone no ban comfort zone because we know I'm say this area no be area and today say what 10 card no so according so paint a picture be so one there be cool guy be this so now what go happen be say we dey watch if so according to go fake come reply am direct this way. Because we don't know Sarkodie to be doing things like that. To say yeah, say Sarkodie is bet my bamu open say about here. Why should I what true in direct to? Because you say oh Sarkodie no, oh no, yeah, on say so you know they go that area. And this is what be upon any more amount. Says I won't call that area. Well, maybe the waffle. Say the any on free street. Maybe you know the film mention my name for your songs inside. Media mention the rap lord, no, the rap lord had pushed the game to one. I've push the game to all the bloggers that did the system inside. So tomorrow make them can respond. Then respond that media as I go back to my default mode my normal setting If you count 10, I will go 10. If you count 20, I will go 20. And they say no say what 10 picture no. A game one they say the coronavirus no crowd a nipa crowd you go make fed up for be free Ghana because Charlie heat a bus system no the shortest possible time. No be heat kitwa. The video no yeah video no yeah no. It throw direct. And before somebody who can do video like this, in the team plan. Then plan to rewind things. And this is almost certain here might be happening. So Reggie Rockstone can respond. He get another chapter for there. Shata di be PM. Shata bit masa video ho. Sa kodi be respond ya. He get another chapter be ma obit ma be chapter ho. So yes, I'm more call it cool. But cool no chere so mo person mo fan from near ma be say because first no mo say what to say and was san. Into was san at least. Say oh baby kura na oba no subanya. Immediately oba na yes wo change no. Your treatment be a money pan I want san come back to the near my. But more the nipa na who knows what change no more fast na more capitalizing on the new behavior na say na be our zoom no na sa no no explain ya there no until now they in them they go also sa call the ya obehwe no you go beat down them things dance hall wa appeal bi okay am maybe a Stone Boy call hit FM and a Stone Boy there Stone Boy kasa na on the Stone Boy the aggressive posture bi ene kasa enye eye game no mo play o ena ya na mpesa woti ase no e bi game ena ya no mo play me kasa game anya se bi o makohihye o ba obia you see before bit ma duru soro ne ma bi mu na say wo hu strength baby or this akodi akowura na enye sa akodi strength sa akodi na over the years ye hu so ba abaye ono abaye na gidigidi sa wa bontene ti na sa akodi play game no to ono na yi o throw jab no throw jab ena wa be ten card no ti say so obi expect say sa akodi ena we ndia wa ye ono onye o se koye distract we call ye distract on the o se challenge you know the go distract aba fe na bo copy punchlines or the camera be seen anim we insult direct or the camera be seen anim and we insult direct oh ti say kura what to wash ata wala adwene mo no bet ma adwene say bia nsema miss v no kura miss g no kura busa no ewo TV3 hono shata ti wo be na we nyina aye plan bi no mo ye say o mo de me be wura mu bia na because the song come out na pese god no ho beji mu bi me no kasa no Friday or drop in the EP binti na pese ode no ho beji mu bi na nkwa concentrated akọ that area but na nipa de niema na efro no nipa de niema na efro no ti nipa de efro a ono shata no sa akọ de bi rapper you don't expect shata so be ko studio so kwa akọ ya nyom no so be this year you see the other guy be assemble my side no Inti the only mode or be kono say or be kono adia he does best. And adia na oye ne kama. And no be ba be chiro say me no me bo wudin. I go mention your name then I give you the game. Make a pick people and say I no go talk plenty. Say wow person me throw bia na wo chiro wa adwene say the near me kono. O hit me up or messenger me throw. Today I go pick plenty people. This thing no e no dey come end now. No dey come end now. But yeah, where say sa akodi no. They say me hu how sa akodi no because sa akodi or no me share that hu so aba aggressive say so aba be here he say. On the DNA say anta na wajabe ni yi no wajabe ni yi no. Say shata no and I want say omo introduce bibi. Time DJs no kind of say if for sound engineers no ewo YouTube ewo Instagram or more yes a battle near you know who say one group be a Shatta Wale no he is not part of them we picture na or also one a different area and sa call them on those rappers near so another side and the Shatta no who say oh ade am here no more creative bibia am be creative bia to shift focus but still menye imagine say me ma ya nyoma ba na nipa e de me wurawura ti say de why no wa frustrate sa nyema ni nyina unse ade na oye no wo de sa akode na si wo se de sa akode de ono Shatta na ye no oye nwom no surrounding no ono so de sa akode asio ena wo de akeka sa akode branches ni nyina e go Reggie Rockstone in the Reggie Rockstone o ko ni be strategic niam bi no oye ni sa hawo won se ene sa akode de tweet bi e by se tiny ni kwa okese mo e ma omo ko life na omo nya bibi to honor Reggie ni niema ni yi ti onipa na akọ attack top hot direct say so attack na ebia obi de se kwa omo nyina go fi yo se no ti say no oba be wa ten card no say so on na be trendy say across board you go fi go Twitter I tell you by this evening we go Twitter no was not to Sub-Zero na fi because yesterday or the Sub-Zero need a ring before Sub-Zero na fake concert no ti say wa map strategy na babak ti afi no mo be play game pa feel on baby play game. Yes, say my industry no more than there. If you dare fight the watch am like this, it make we want make it make healthy then this thing. Make a call people then bring them issues then. Gideon Boadi say make a call and they can. But me frawa your points, you know, straightforward na. Me funny pa be brace. Obi a wo comment bi a opese obusa niema clarification ye you know frame William Safo ba yi metima ma platform no na wa frame o frame me na metia na mebusa cognitive questions bi me me ya say bi a one side into obi frame na ide Shatta or sa akodi dey no position bi I go take I go ask you questions. Hello.
Yeah, Charlie.
Yeah, anybody?
Don't talk, man. Let's go straight to the point.
Good.
Go straight to the point, Charlie. We two are ball, Charlie. Kwame Kwame Mickey, Mami Kasi.
Chale me dinya Kwame on. Who force dinya mama say there. My name is Kwame, but you continue at the listen.
Okay. Mami Kasi Mr. Ghana for the BI you can't say man obi ampeso betiase, obi ante Shatawale ase. And the BI I'm sure I can say Shatawale no a different guy, on your tradition, on your culture, and you know what the different system don't want. Yentina sintini any time for no reason.
Meba train kakra train meba. Mesra mo mo amose me frɛ mo no. Ma kyerɛ sɛ wo kyerɛ messenger wa onyame. O kyerɛ sorry o kyerɛ wo code Mickey page wa onyame. Come ya me personal account code Mickey no na send me wo messenger wo. O send them come page wo dia page wa no go fi call you. To aso me tie.
Folks are not interrupting me. I know my massive now for me to tell me.
My sorry to aso.
Me say Shatawale no nam Hosano or a different guy from the industry people. All points will make here no. Was say Sakwa then was brought up by the industry. Although Shatawale he came through a different avenue. And no matter what he does, you know, the industry is not going to support him. She Obi, I faith concert, are spending all this amount of money with no sponsors or little bit of sponsors. No. Hello, what do you mean, Kap?
Yeah, me too, Kapa.
Yeah. No, Obi are spending money and time you way say no. I be say, now the be a more person more strategy, now more the sad, and I'm good anymore street folks. And I said, how many musicians and the fresh at the wall, and I said, all your concert, they tweeted about it. Only Medical and Falama Kafui. Nobody in the industry, none of his musician colleagues tweeted about it. Nobody. What you said? And you think they be Oba Bibia. Next time, the same this guy Sako then. Why in Hosa or a snake on the grass? Or no, he showed the face. So, Meba ni para offer me na they beg you and make you and frame me say send me message na me frame o frame me awe cut ni ma na me ye no to aso so mun na mutie first Afro Nation Shatawale Kasimbi was say they don't want to see him on stages like this. Mutie onu person who say on stages be so say when Beyonce collaborate ne ba ye na finally will be at you know okoye interview so say Angela Shatta one kasa about this Beyonce, you know, say the Beyonce or the baby be 200 more. First of all, ban or the Beyonce be 200. Now I can say for the so-called gatekeepers. No mind them. I'm not gonna say I don't know. And until this time, they not so making sure say this thing will stick. And just say who answer, who different strategy or the end in your man. But Sako Dieno, or you'll be a, or you say Shatawale is the biggest threat to him. What you say? Because Rain concert, you say, like I said to you before in your other video, it is the biggest Rain concert and the After the Storm concert, you know, is the biggest album launches in Ghana, point blank and period. That's facts. And when you say you can't make it, I know your facts. But Shadio, Rain concert, it was everywhere. What does Sarkodie do? Sarkodie when they release a diss song to try to overshadow the Rain concert, you know. One this song has killed the whole album because all the colleagues in the industry, you know, they want to see Shatawale downfall. But what they fail to realize, they said, the more they're hating him, the more he's going up. And they try to make us out. She said, anytime Shatawale ever voice it or fight for the industry, nobody ever joined him. Nobody ever joined him to say anything, including Stonebwoy. Stonebwoy is another one hypocrite snake on the grass.
Chale Mr. Wow, all the team meba o kasa manenya and stay with the topic no kwa mama wa Mr.
Yeah, because this is all about the topic because Shatawale can't give you any more and said they all want to gang up on him. So this is all about the Chale called Mami Flow, Mr. Mami Flow. Because the video that Shatawale Bay and I know who video that we in Siciano. Shatawale Bay was saying all of them are trying to gang up on him, which is true. Stonebwoy, remember the Stonebwoy, anytime I Sarkodie post me job by Shatawale, he comes out and like it or make a comment about it secretly. So the thing that Stonebwoy can be about fake concert na Shatawale here. So let's call a spade. Boy, I won't pronounce him because the way Casano, and the way he cares so much about the industry, no. He expressed himself differently. Or Wakuma Modu. And to Kasa with vim. Or Kasa with passion. And to Omo Pesa, Ghana form Pesa, I won't test hard and I say. And they look at him as a Kolaboni and as a disrespectful guy. But if they listen to what he's saying now, I need to the corona season. I'm off where Sakodi, all you doing is posting pictures and doing fashion show. Or passing one sanitizer more be out. Which I said, Mr. Tawala, any medical more air passes sanitizers, no man, no man. Now, why in fake concert now? 2-3 days later, I said, you want to bring out a diss song. Which I said, that's a diss song when you come from to me, no, like I said, it wasn't about Shatawale. And Shatta was mute about it one kasa. Or when you interview with Miss Gino, and Miss G Busan said, say, it was me coming to you. But if it is true, the word that go for me, finish said, or can say, if Sarkodie is dissing me at this time of year, then I'm very disappointed. He didn't even say nothing about Sarkodie that's bad. I was very disappointed. But guess what? Sarkodie, when I took that video and called him Jai Jimino, we're emotional singer. Sarkodie, who's more emotional than you, nigga? Man, I'm more emotional than you. Also, you're someone who kind of rap. Who's more emotional than you, Sarkodie? Why would you respond to Shatawale's interview if you're not emotional? Mami Kasem Joe, I said that the Shatawale I really support it. Now, I got my own video coming for Sarkodie because you're warrior or you snake on the grass, and little by little, his real true colors is starting to reveal. His real true colors is starting to reveal because I give the Sarkodie all the industry people will support it. From the people who don't even sing, the people who don't even rap, who now come out and they support what Sarkodie does. But nobody tweets about Shatawale's album. Nobody talks about Shatawale's fake concert, and nobody is talking about Shatawale's year or the buses here, EP or the banner. Nobody, including the radio stations. Go look at Hit FM. Asama Don, Ekafa, and then they are more Shatawale ever Hit FM. I'm telling you, man, the Ghana music industry does not like Shatawale. That's why I told Shatawale, say, Charlie, to free Ghana honor, Ninja music industry, because you're far too gone. You're far too good. Your music is too big for Ghanaians. And they don't understand the personality who Shatawale is. So right now, I support it 100%. Code, I'm done, man. Go to the next caller, Charlie.
Okay, Charlie, me da.
Yeah, man.
Me be pick caller bi on me we am ba ho bosom pem. Ma say what send a message. Ma me pick this caller before me we am ba ho. Me srem a me pese e be one side. Me no me wa ha no ade a me ye no me nye ade ma obi sesei. Baby a me madene ye me na me kako. Enti so obi wo ho na o opinion bi a enye se bi a o opinion bi a na be se wo share. O de o send a message na me frɛ wo. De me pen se obi ba be di atem ne ya atem di I no want that. But any opinion bi a wo bi about I don't care wait ma be kan wa, but don't insult. Ma me frɛ guy we me wi a na makobo some pem ho. El Green Boham. Ni El Green Boham. Tabiria, so I send or hi Tabiri responded to hi and answer me afro. Why? Hello?
Yeah, good evening.
Evening.
Yeah, but if I mean
also referring Elmina,
yeah.
Okay, Twaso.
Yeah. Asa everybody Shatani by and deny the too much. It's about time I shut the door from one. And I did get shut try to be Saturday beach. And only other musicians will try to bring him down. But it took this year to be how I from Apodiotic. Yeah, Master Man Pedam catching behind. The year to be the no beer will come be more how Apodiotic. This big life no living will be happy more how it. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, that's why, Charlie. That's when Castle Gideon say I not talk say insult or they set the standard. If somebody one can't top. So people there, maybe their mind be say, you know, people always they talk say oh code maybe a day SM way. Make I tell you people something. You know, be say me, I always come the city they tell you say Shatawale in lifestyle I steady. You understand? So I get soft spot plus what they do. You know the means as a day here the blog no. If I see something bad, I not go talk or something. That's why I want make people get for my mind inside. You understand? I they presume say most of the things they do, no, I they feel know what they push them or something make it do. You know what I mean? Say maybe if you follow somebody blindly where the person self do something, if you talk, are you the human being self, you know be correct. You get what I mean? So those of you where they be like other maybe sack person or Beam Nation guy, we say, oh, this guy there, they go talk about this thing, so I know go call self. If you not call that way, you not call way after the show, you come my inbox, then they also be biased and things. That be what I tell you, I know they like that thing. Some of them, you know, go call, but after the video, you know, they will come the insult. I give the chance. I say anybody you want talk, you know, the matter where you did. The only thing I know they like is say make you not insult anybody. Come just rep me high. I will call you, then you share your opinion. We all the learn go. Nobody be perfect. And then they want after the program, somebody will come my inbox and call self be biased. The thing as they do, they pick only SM people. You know, they pick any beam. That be what most of them they do more times. And or the beam for one offer. On fa SM for one offer. On fasa accordingly. My mouth chance and they say, friend. Make a call some payment there. Nana Brown, I see my own was sending me a me be send a message why Nana Brown na why hi because maybe I'll send the coin me flow. Nana Brown. Hello?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, anybody have to say? Hello? Have to say?
Yeah, cool. Pacha who's the Capra?
Me tio to us with tio.
Oh, cool. And the program is nice. Why are they? Now, once a man will say, oh, sa pot dear. Oh, Yanko Padmon also.
Métier. Boko. To us, or casa yetio. Hello?
Chia rappers the break. Well, and why not they say, so, some of the chances are the chia rappers the break, and see bloggers and with Chomoka, and Chomba can have bias, says, Sako de ya the business at the cry and tire soon cry now. And see, the Ambia say, I didn't lack of say white, they will make sure say, I didn't white. And see, this are not saying forgetting. Well, I don't shut up about Canada. But before I shut up about live, let me make a live video. Shut up. One comment to red talk. What I say? Me, we are taking a shop of about a live video. Until this tells you, say, Saturday, or just pay attention with them. So, what they call me too.
Okay. Okay. Mesme dawase pa. Yeah. Ma hu se nipa bebre send me messages still mesre mo munti ade. Message no ma kire o se o send ko mame nkire mo wa se. O send me message no ko me page we na me de ye na me nhunu emfre o. Wo ho. E no cry ma me chance ma me fro send ko me personal account. Ma me me personal account ni nkire o. Ya nipa ni obet marketing why me da se. We na me personal account. To come personal account wa obe hu se picture we na da ho. And one say actual code Mickey. And na my personal account and your page. To come personal account wa e ho obe hu me wo na wa send hi e wo e ho me hu. Ba ko send ko me page wa me ntwi from. Ti o wet mark account na bo some pen mesra o. Hello? But my cutting in my web, yeah, now we have a cutting. Okay, good. Maybe a different guy, David. My friend David. My also be Brenna send a messages in the call you over there on the page there, and I know go call them. Yeah, hello, Dipani, I'm a chow.
Bro.
Oh, Casa free.
Yeah.
O casa free. O casa free.
Hello.
Yeah, me too. O casa free.
I'm a casa free friend.
Okay, to asu too.
Good Mickey. The thing is like, I was a problem in this me interview mo here.
for instance Shatta no me idea ma sa kwa de buy a obetu challenge obetu say because the Shatta e kan no I don't see any to Shatta in America but I don't see anything bad against kesifu na de on worship na mo pese omo ye patapa de go akwa because as some kind nyasa I will see pick something out of it because I see in this era if you are trying to beef with me I don't see the reason maybe part no but anytime when these bloggers they begin to talk the passion Shatta dey just say Shatta on the soup on any part will be say be that guy no people begin to bash because only you whenever you pick a camera on you to get many people it will be a can be an akasifo room edom ho beti because se wo kasa akwadia shem se ye na sa akwadia hwe ugan wanwa bia before the kasa ugan wanwa bia bash why say me again present you say there you get one say this but sometimes you have to try to be real ma usuba na kasa to remember sanka sama sakai no e wotibuche one did not yasem no kai but say kenya dia sa music no oye or the Shatta and ko onko tuti because we follow mu na anytime we are monitor mu na because at least we might update you anytime they be na me so me research our background sometimes they can tell you how because YouTube echo show ho
nice
so the almost person I can see what person would do na the almost mu no before because Shatta ever rise we she see and respond on YouTube in crap and
okay, Charlie, that's the power. Okay, good. Mahu say messages na mo send me ni nyina mo send call page hono I no go fit call. I say just go my baby am dey chiro na send hi ewo me messenger me my own vanish I was so vanish I person me frɛ wa betimi ama me signal me from me frɛ Tabiria Tabiri Mensa make a call yeah vanish I greet you be long time I finish I go make we talk long time yeah hello
good
yeah nipa new to say okay so free
okay,
twice a year.
All right. Me person say my business account topic here there by.
Okay.
So a mistake most Ghanaians say. I have a person be amamre ne tradition you ma be a pattern to. And a week as I see one can say no can see ye kasa say no so we be kasa be can be different be if you say one fat it's tier pine this visa. Me before na say na maybe and now me pay Shatta some crap. But of late, me trust him and say, but this guy, we in free Ghana music industry, I didn't hear boring. And we see your music character here, and so no matter how your background, ufi a gra a my chakra, you have to adapt something like Shatta did. Because so hey, baby to Jamaica, unia ubia yo. Ebanum to one. And so you are going to feel ground to crowd that's what we are one city crowd. But about music wise, we are a different thing altogether. And you see, we say, Sako DNA, who's a Sako DNA, physical looking so will be your job. The Zenges rap nor rap with interviews crowd or Konarena is boring on carry Bisana goes to your point on why like. Or entertaining aside music, Sarkodie is not an entertainer, if not the music here. And so will be time Shatta Wale because of the way of responding and then the way of approaching her on thinking otherwise because about what Shatta is doing is the best for something like Ghana music.
Okay, Charlie, that's why.
That's it.
Yeah, and to bet me and the corner. Okay, my friend Rain Wonder. Rain, hey, Charlie, he said Rain, hey, where the wonder. Rain, it name be Rain album. Then or the one that has account. Then why in Junior? Me throw Rain Wonder Junior. Yeah, hello. Yeah, Charlie. Evening. Now, Casa friend, where you call from?
I'm Casa for UK.
Okay. To us, you too. By coincidence, be an
Junior Miss by your friend is the interview now, shut I ended. The all Canada, and no one open, no Fernando, no can let it be a me and a fan in Tina. Make us say no. But don't even know go wronger, Rebecca, but can of Venezuela, Rebecca. Emotional person.
Charlie, Miss Ram, are coming. Miss Ram, I say, make nobody come the line direct. Nippon sending me up free, you never the thing go cut. I beg you are. I will call you here. I will call you twice. Charlie, the person, maybe the person where you know the here won't call me, and you call me again, I will block you. I say, make you not call me direct. This, I beg you are. Why other twice? I will call you. I beg you, make you not call twice me too.
Me say, I some freestyle or the bike, but I some no crowd, see, don't know to you, be man at all. Now, over so back and send me. So what I say? If the 20 minutes shut up, everyone is saying the car sitting in Sikano, a car agent to what's up for the boo or cry a Cassibia. A see and I say, so what I say, but also to me the old Sikano, a car against Yassam, say rapper, and the bottom there, the oil dry or poor. So what I say, the old to be not a Shatawali, you choose our words, and be the mama. You move you have any day, and you must have so where the who use to sours neither. How many people from? So what I say? Then no one am working.
Okay, me that's why. Okay, good. Charlie, more and more imagine somebody here, you know, I mean to get different strategy. You know, because I get more machines for here where they use or do my operations. This only panel I just obstruct me, make the kind of obstruct. Send me or more send here, you know, we make monitor near money in our see me frame you know be idea I be giddy. Mean to me pick it 3 calls at the same time. Well, okay, yes, I'm a boy, or more I'm so more frame you know, or more in a war. You understand? The me pick will be one by one. I know what it do everything at the go like that. Mama you understand it. I call you Nana Kwame me fro. Me fro Nana Kwame. I finished Nana Kwame Abdullah. I will come you there. Hello? Hello?
Yo, cool.
Yeah, powerful. Me ciao.
Charlie, don't have hustle.
Boko Penny. Now, Casa free.
Me Casa free Texas.
Okay, my name Koma Yetio.
Sack ne shatter the Charlie. Hey, Asemo, minim that Obubi Fiba. But what shattered the top there? Be true. This time will be the perfect time for this beef. Charlie. See how the award, we are see Charlie, the award. So Charlie, this will be the perfect time. So Charlie, that's what I want to talk.
Okay.
If I come back later, this will be the perfect time for us.
Okay, powerful. Thank you. You make it very simple. I make I go the next person in there.
All right, Charlie.
Okay. Okay, Abdullah Shaggy. You see, we are not Obi. Abekase the only SM people. Everybody they send me the message. They call. They are me from up Nipana or send the idea and can in here. You know, hello, yeah, powerful.
Yeah, exactly.
Boko opening.
From Saudi.
Okay, I know, and man, come here.
Yeah, me charge you. You are line, so charge you.
Nice.
Charlie,
me finish sack pa na no say sack do ya sack seriously esa me town na me say awon ya na sack pa because chale concert we faith concert we akwa we ya mumuni na Europe mumuni na America mumuni ya program on kan obi awasem onye obi a on kan obi antia obi a na so no wa fagi bi say oh chale ma me nye bi say na me fa nye ska kakra na me fa nji mi din kakra wa koye this song Edbe sado de oye no so e ka obo Shatawale no wa tell so e ganyu ampa e to am no kofi o osan the bar or the best obetwa o san from brabio or the best o san ko ye say sa ko de kan tiny one say kwa kase no say on be den e dey abo reja baso no o so dey reji say mu di reja tem o so dani papa fie we did dinner asado mu nyina so say the faith concert no oye den a ejinam the video no so be yen so oye den a ejinam di na me shira so
okay chale me that's why
bye
okay good me friend Benjamin I dey call you Benjamin me friend Benjamin hey Charlie Benjamin I dey come your area me friend me about be like Benjamin dey need to be connected my me friend Kobena bibi meba no meba mo am person me friend mo no obetimi send hi na call o send hi na call me hu attend to mo nyina meba mo am send call page ni dey beg you the page there if you send go there I no go fit call you I dey call Kobena some of the names hey Charlie how they open okay good I dey call Kobena
hello
yeah hello powerful what's up
yeah
I just
yeah
said
cool
okay cool where they talk from
I talk Gustav I didn't Gustav Gufura is here
okay no I'm an come here tie why
say
me say kasama here tie hello yeah I think say the network no the network na I style Vincent D Tally okay my man friend Kofi Hamza we na men call Vincent ho yeah I call you Hamza I call you me ba o send me message na no wajai dia kana me but send the call me normally you dey call me page wa me how dey make you go and listen kasa ti Hamza o kasa friend
Pacha me kasa free I Jenny Bergam
okay to asoma yeti
okay so me the shata eka no interview ni no and no one shata wandi sakodi atem wandi obi atem so what I say but sakodi no how we ebe esabe reply shata e wo Twitter no chale enye ne kwan so ano so what I say dina DKB eka say English no enye English ni na ye nipa eye de nipa eti ase so what I say ebi ya English na shata eka ya no na sakodi anti ase na adwene say shata adina atem dina man be ka say be ma jan chibiye no so what I say but say the sakodi but o sha de na o timi sakodi no wadi ka mi shata dada so what I say so o sha ye be release e album Obe this song a device at the man shatter movement. So what I say. But my Shatawale the one apply and all bands. So what I say, and all children say, Charlie give a business, a pisca. Did say only business in Mudia, and you also hear there. So pisca. So what I say. 1 year. Ama we so aba face concert yi so ya so a edi kakra ya ji a YouTube ne baby a ya kwantan we ase afa nan nyina so no wo se no so on dia se o be kata so so what I say that yes that Sarko the air ne seriously or you totally hypocrite.
Okay, Charlie, me that's why.
Bega.
Yeah. My man Fred. Farouk, my send you hi to respond, and I mean to me fro. I send you hi, Farouk, to respond, and I also mean from I send you hi, just all respond and send what me fro. To Farouk, my send you hi. I Farouk, I send you hi unless you like you to type hi back or something if I will call you. Farouk, unless you type back, else I'm not going to call you like that. Okay, I see. I call you. No. You not respond yet, Farouk. Go your messenger. You go see for there before I go to call you. In the meantime, I'm a friend Benjamin. In the meantime, I'm a friend Benjamin. Vincent D. Tali also Masendo hi also respond to audience before I go to see them, Charlie. Okay. Make I rather go Vincent there. Be like Farouk, you not see the high yet. Make I go Vincent in body. You see, also media me my beer tomorrow. Until me person me be na over kase. And no more friend you know to say or more kasama shatter then level some. Where you from the grounds or where you from the grounds? Many people more friend the brain. I be like only the first caller had made a talk for phone talk before. Be from the grounds. Kasa.
Yeah, big man.
Listen, make
Yeah, big listen. I dey call from Ghana.
okay, so make you raise your voice more.
Hello?
Be good. Make you talk now, listen.
Yo, I think say the two artists or they behave immature. Yeah, at this challenging time, this may be time for them for the fight or whatsoever.
But you see who caused the fight?
For us, as it stand right now, I go talk say Sark no force. But Shatawale ask into they talk like how you talk say like it gets sense. I dey expect as a lady ask another question. But tell us this may be time to answer that question. Yeah, that be what me I see. Because most of the time it happens. Stoneboy asking a Kevin Boy that he used to go interview. This may be the time to talk about.
Okay.
That is self-maturity. So at times you need to show self-maturity. Not every day fight here and there. No. You say the industry no good, they do it too much. But every day you way they talk, see the things they do.
Okay.
So me I think that's what they know first.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
Good. So I know so you also want me. So if you end the call, give me. Charlie, Mr. O, nipa na ofre na they beg you. Charlie. Mr. O, ofre o, me fro Amani Junior. I call you Amani Junior.
Yeah, man, what's up, cool?
Oh, Charlie, cool. Oh.
Yeah, good evening. Me cheaty for you now.
Boko, now when?
Yeah, because I free Spain now, when me a Sark fan, but so I will need to the Sark here, the prayer mean when you're fine. I did one of my the man of training baby. She said hard work now, Nipano, and I also you come like I say you trade some appreciations be soon.
Maybe senior Abu. I can't send you high. Sorry, say but I cannot see. I can't send to us, mommy.
Yeah, now Nipa Sark me say you see play games in Ghana on the Charlie. One of the music ne cry do. Yeah, person beef ne kuna
nipping Vinny who you how far a current Ukrainian who you left and right. I'll be to on who your concept. Charlie, the good one fancy and I'm good.
Hey, Charlie, now you're a sack fan, no? Hey. What's that? Sack fan, Ben, no? Hey, what am I telling my fancy here? Also, Charlie, also a sack fan. Make a course in Yabu. My friend senior Abu say I be sack fan. I sent so the reply about
Hello.
yeah, hello, I just saying.
Yeah, hello, good.
I just saying.
Yeah, good. Yeah, na ko bad mo na so.
Cool. Charlie, sorry man, who were you know why? Says here na me who kasa yeti.
Oh, no problem.
Okay.
Very na kay man hobi.
No, ano yeti.
Na ko bad na pa jo mo yedi.
Oh, me ho ye pa, manem koma ye.
Pa jo mo yedi.
Oh, me ho ye.
Yeah, na miasi. The first time I feel it.
No.
I'm particularly to make sure my drink a cry for issue our ground this year.
Okay.
I'm saying issue because you know, you actually follow saying no money say the sequel. So now me side of the story they say me who say abraba you be a bonne brafa. So what I say. Se could what ya bruche obo brafa. O peda bag ya o ko fie. Me peda bag ya me ko me fie. E jade ntina be ka se code. Yero ho bobra. Ko toka ko si fie ko yesi. Obi e bonne bra. Enti me won say obi anya no wo ya wo mo so nya no. Ba ene o mo nisika o mo ye hiafo wo sika cha obi ana o mo say no ma di. Nobody depend on you. Also keep obi an bonne bra. O ma ne bag so o ko ni fie. Sa peda ne bag ya o ko ni fie. Shut up the bag or couldn't fee. So to me, when say, Sir, when we are here for or we are story no emphata. So what I say, emphata, or be a body bra. Train the ready dinner bell, then I have a program of Victorian panel. So what I say, oh, let's say Regina or introduce a rap and idea, no crowd when you're in party, like when young person be finish. I mean, Okasa also any part. So what I say, Reggie doesn't depend on Shatawali. So the metro won't depend on so can when you part be free one or so or myself and ready. Why am I say what I offer and you believe what that tempers what your open fee, what you find it doesn't come to you for rent. Maybe that's my problem. This is the problem I have only is that. So what I say, on one bra, no be as one bra, Sako, Nisika, or Conifia, or Conifi, or Pajana bag or you Conifi, also Pajana bag or Coffee. No be a money bra, no be a Yanagma. Me my problem with that's a me.
Okay, challenge me that's why. Me that's it. Mamenya nipa mienu bi na me fa embra na we. Make a see if I go get two people in addition. Say na me peo, you call her, share your opinion. And ya fe na e be ye change na try. Once or free wa kire na adwene, you know insult. Fine. Me penipa 2 the account. Me penipa 2 account na me the level where na ban end. I want to get 2 more fighters before I will bring this thing. To those who say make a call you go the page there, the page there it will be difficult give me make a pick the call until this my friend Mensa Kojo money. Okay, make a man type on the din na me se menya na Mensa. Oh Charlie. Eba Mensa Kojo money. Mensa. Charlie ni din spelling no. Who's on Mensa Kojo money view, but I don't know whether it be or Ghana ni anase. Ko bi anu akwa kofre ko bi onye Ghana ni o. I see the Mensa Kojo money no, but Charlie, I don't know whether it be Ghanaian or I send you hi. Why? Mensa Kojo money, I send you hi to just or respond it. Me must send a hi to or respond here. Yeah. I send him hi. Tell her, make you respond. Make I see the last guy. Ganyobi to make I see if I go for call add Ganyobia. Okay, Rick say make I call her. Make us I set you for here and send you hi. The person where you know you're from the ground, so until or take calls now everybody this be neutral grounds of me which I say sometimes no I have to say elections no more what top on that way you go make mistake. You forgo the grounds, then go listen to the opinion of the people. Mensa Kojo ma send or high into this all respond and send what me afro. Rick, okay, my friend Rick. Elvis. I can see if I go forget Elvis for here. Elvis me fro. No, Mensa Kojo me fro. Call Rick. My friend Rick, I heard you record see Elvis to work I see. Charlie. May the Elvis near you baby. Elvis, I send you high. The other caller, Elvis must send you high responded. The other caller, I be like, they not pick the call. I send Elvis high, make it pick, then we finish. And to any day, expect more beef when to after to me cover next 2 weeks. Because heat now there by this time Reggie and people they do meeting. So I call them and crop for so your meeting. And I so under on also be through jobs kakra. The distance there and there it be very hot beef pan and fight system no sir. Corona kura be give you up or Ghana. Ko nyakura be catch the na busu ya for Ghana there. They are not serious. No, Elvis, I send you high for your messenger. Go check. I use code Mickey send you high for your messenger. The code Mickey I send you high or pick na me the code Mickey. Bounty, you give up and off later I don't see you again. You know if you stand the fight. Fight now only kappa won't me on Bounty. I don't see you again. You run. You run from social media. This game be power or you know get kappa, you know go fit move. Your cognitive key, you know, for be very, very intact. Oh, Elvis no fake hold that thing up, you know, fake call. No, Elvis here, and you know what get me. I call you for messenger. No, unless you respond before. Here the okay, I feel na you responded. Mensa Kojo money. I call Mensa Kojo money. Crown out Friday, I know go. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, strong man, Michelle.
Yeah, this man preaching from South.
That's right. Thanks. Okay, we are listening to you. Let it go.
Sorry. Thanks for a great initiative, great program. We're a great program now in so say industry is it's all about hate. You know, when you go so about when not the few as an obstacle. And they have industry. Shatta, big up to Shatta. Shatta is trying to, trying to create something for the industry, but they don't see the vision. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, me too,
Yeah. And the problem what industry is about time someone on the one so that to put Ghana on top of the map, the white on top of the world, so that people will say Ghana so you one or 2 years but if they're trying to blackmail each other, it's not gonna help the industry and it's not gonna help Ghana as a whole. Big up to Shatta, big up to Saturday, big up to everybody, big up to yourself too.
Okay, Charlie, that's why I make we end down for here. Thanks, the more I meet me about money, oh, Charlie, the guy respond or make a take an end. And yes, my main fact, Elvis, no make a end with Elvis. After Elvis, now we bring the thing to an end. The China baby, that's not CBM beef we need every day. Every day something. Hello? Hello? Yeah, what's up?
Hey, Mickey.
Yeah, Charlie. What's up? Boko. Cassava etio. Manem koma here.
Okay, doesn't me back. You me come.
No, kabi.
Me some fun. The movement fun.
No.
I want to Ghana for no. Me share some fans na. Ghana for yente Shatta last.
Yeah.
You better not say na too late. But I say you better not say na too late. Because I got just Saturday Shatta the choir ya anga bui. Saturday the papa Shatta the born. And pass out the industry. What you say? Shatta the baby you better match. Will be able to be a couple 10 years or some job back here. Oh, depend on
I know.
You pay bonus sometimes when you're to was here, no for my na. The bomb pay the other time. Yes, and dear. Shut down echo.
Okay. That's I thank all of you. More about me friend and follow me. I promise you say more things go feed around this thing. We day inside. Any place you go enter, I will go follow. Mate say vanish almost person mo video be send them Shatta. Say vanish amon the ghetto eye of SM. Almost the Shatta ye sa kodi ye no nti e china. Be drop bibi amana. Almost the mo banner physical your banner online now and work here. They follow it physical. See vanish as a china. Almost say so I'm on quarantine into almost a ghetto some but say game end to me stand it just online here, best almost see from there or more ready. So almost say channel send me first warning not me there two platforms no so I'm here. Media. Okay, vanish on na Shatta ni Stone Boy nya issue no nam street bi mo wo ye video or her front back ye video bi no. Okay, team and you may say tomorrow then go take over. Then go start the shoot from the quarantine ghettos come. I say me here. Really watch. Come so I'm on the way. I'm on Shatta route will get to her. No want to mean tinasema. Obia me Shatta freedom or Ghana hono isa almost almost Shatta ni ho almost ni honti. I say no problem tomorrow. Maybe I be like I be messenger. You bring her, I go analyze the thing, then I share them outside. Make we watch how I go. So make I end the video. Thanks to everybody.